Hey guys, Javen here. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing to you the reason why this is the year you should grow a tubular haircut. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So I'm sure all of you out there are aware of what's happening around the world right now. Because of this, most of us are forced to practice social distancing and a lot of places are now on lockdown. Basically, only all the essential places are open, such as grocery stores, gas stations. Everything else, such as barber places, gyms, and all that are all closed. What this means is that if you want to get a haircut right now, it's pretty much impossible because of the close contact you get with your barber. So if you've always thought about getting a tubular haircut, now is the time, guys. Right now. Growing out your top hair can take a few months, and right now when everyone is in isolation, it's a perfect time for you to do it. No one will be able to see you when it's growing at the awkward stage, such as if over here, it's growing halfway and sticks out. No one can see that because you're at home. We are all forced to change our lifestyle now because of this lockdown. So even changing something as simple as your hair can help spur other changes in your life as well. When you have a different hairstyle, you see yourself differently as well. For me, when I have a shorter hair, I personally have less confidence than when I have longer hair like this. Other changes I'm also doing is trying to grow a beard. Over here, I'm Asian, so I don't really grow much of a beard, but it would be nice to have a full beard. Even if it's not growing a tubular haircut, I really encourage all of you to try something different, do something that you're not comfortable with, just so you can grow as a person. With that being said, I hope all of you guys stay safe out there and just spend time with your loved ones. Also, if you're planning to grow out this tubular haircut and you want to let me know about your journey, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video and chat back next time. Yeah, I forgot to mention this in the video, but if you're thinking of getting your own tubular haircut, I have plenty of haircutting tutorials on my channel that you can learn from, and I'll be putting those links in my bio description down below.